Hello there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of Option Pit, and this is the stock market and option volatility report reminder. This is for education purposes only, shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Consult a financial professional if you have questions. Well, here we are, and markets are down. You can see things a little ugly this morning. Why? Well, take a look at FXI. That's the China stock market. It's down. Europe is down. EM is off. Basically, everything's off about 1%. Today, the Dow down 200, SPX down. Some names that are kind of taking it on the chin. Look at Costco. They didn't like the earnings out of that. I actually, the earnings did not appear to be down 6% bad, but, this is not a market where there is a lot of leeway for not being perfect. Starbucks kind of similar feel, only down 2%. That could be an interesting one to play with today. As I kind of look around, I'm still kind of looking at areas where, is there some opportunities to be bearish or to be kind of neutral. I continue to like the market to move around. I think near dated volatility is not crazy. And there is some opportunities. So, I continue to kind of look at these quarterlies as an opportunity to set up, some sort of long gamma trade, because premium is kind of relatively cheap given how much we're moving around. I mean, a 10-point straddle, if you look, is only $5.60, and 10-point butterfly with 2 full weeks to go, and we've been moving that in blinking. So I'd also comment that VIX, there's nothing there, no bid. And so, just passively, if you think about the way the markets have behaved this week, I want to pull up a chart of SPX. And it's basically been, open up big and close, down or barely up. Kind of 2 of those days. Kind of yesterday, kind of the same thing. Open up high, close unchanged. Wondering whether, we get a candle that kind of looks like this, where we open low and then run hot. Based on the price action of VIX futures, that is entirely possible. There is no bid for volatility, no bid for premium protection. Who knows? But that is a scenario that potentially sets up here. Where is their strength? Not in the semiconductors still look strong. Intel's been really strong. AMD's been strong. Those names look really strong. But where's their softness? The financials are still terrible. Although today they look a little better. But so, if you look at your ETFs, the XLF managing to be bought for some reason. Technology down. They're saying this is around China news. It really does not appear related to that at all. But that's the way the market is kind of moving around right now, folks. So I just don't see a lot happening. So on the day, I don't know exactly what's going to happen. We could tank, we could flop around. If you look at the lack of interest in this market, it makes one wonder whether we could see kind of a inverse of what happened earlier in the week, but we'll see. I'm going to be looking at kind of long gamma trades that for kind of the end of the month, because I think that there could be some action there. All right, folks, have a great day.